wiring. That way nothing's in the way and all that shit.
Take a picture.
Do it by.
Take a picture.
You don't need a picture.
We got diagrams for that, boy.
Wow, okay.
You got it.
Tony, we got this shit, so within like 5 minutes or so.
You just want to be a little girl, that's all.
Save this song, motherfucker.
You just want to be a little girl, that's all.
We're in the right position right now for this drill.
I know, no daddy, no. No daddy, no. One wire nut, ooh. Where's the other wire nut? Ooh. Ooh. You want a wire nut? Let me put them right here? Okay.